ancient forgotten art of breathing, now backed by in-depth scientific studies, has catapulted elite athlete performance levels by 300% to 500% while improving brain function, improving recovery time, curing anxiety, fatigue, sleep problems, respiratory conditions, and even controlling weight gain issues, all while hacking you into the optimal performance state of mind, the flow state, which can be taught very quickly, and you only need to practice 5 minutes a day to reap the rewards. The more you practice being in flow, the greater your ability to trigger flow on command. C. Wilson Melancelli, who is a flow state coach, stunt performer, author, and ex-British champion in MMA, believes the core method of hacking the flow state is to create flow experiences for the practitioner. These flow experiences are created through physical and mental meditations and can be practiced by anyone. The ability to be in flow is in us all. There is nothing mystical or elusive about it. The flow state is experienced by all walks of life: writers, poets, artists, business executives, gardeners, athletes, musicians, extreme sports athletes. You get the point. We can all experience being in flow. It all comes down to purposely practicing being in flow. Learn to naturally stimulate this stress-relieving nerve to accelerate your recovery, health, and performance. Your very own step-by-step roadmap on how to dramatically improve your longevity, health, and performance while eliminating chronic illness, injuries, and much, much more. 4 free flow state courses designed to hack you into the optimal performance state of mind and body known as the flow state. 30 videos delivered straight to your inbox today. Learn to unlock your hidden performance through specifically designed physical and mental meditations. Results you will see with consistent use are 200% boost in your creativity, 490% acceleration in learning speed, and 500% increase in productivity. All this while you lose your inner critic. Hi there, my name is Ellen Lee, and I am a professional lifestyle and beauty expert. Getting yourself involved with a consistent practice of meditation will allow your life to improve in every aspect. Most importantly, your health and well-being will never be better. Using a helpful guide is key, and Hack the Flow State has everything to change your life. It's the quality of your intention, the consistency of your practice, and the attention you give that will hack you into the flow state. So let's get you started today.